Alright guys, so we are going to be testing out Roblox AI Texturing for models. So I already tested this out a little bit and, you know, the map didn't actually turn out that bad. But we're going to be testing it again in today's video. So yeah, let's test it out. Okay, so we are here in Roblox Studio, and as you can see, we already have some models set out. We're going from least complicating to most complicating. So we have like a fancy little brick fence right here, a Roblox well, and an airplane. So let's see how good AI can texture these. Okay, so we're gonna be starting out with this brick fence. So we're gonna put like brick fence, and well, actually not brick fence, maybe fancy brick fence, because as you guys can see, this looks kind of fancy. I mean, it has these bars, it has these little toppers up here, and yeah, so let's make a texture for it. Okay, it loaded in some textures. It looks interesting, but we get to choose which one we want. I'd say we should go for this one, and it doesn't look too promising in this little view, but you know, maybe in the game it'll look more promising. Okay, we got it into the Roblox game, and it doesn't look the best. For some reason it put gray bricks on the bottom instead of like on the top where these are supposed to be gray, and the bars, they just look like rusty metal bars, I guess. But anyways, this gets a 2 out of 10. It doesn't look the best. Anyways, let's move on to the Roblox well and see how good it could texture this. Okay, so what should we put here? Let's do cool stone fountain. Cool stone fountain. For some reason, I've been calling this a well. I don't know why, but no, this is a water fountain. Cool stone fountain. Let's see what it could come up with. Okay, wow, it came up with some pretty interesting stone fountains. So this actually doesn't look too bad, except the Roblox symbol up here kind of looks a little wonky. But yeah, let's look at the other textures. So we have the side view, and okay, I think the best one is honestly this one. So let's save and apply it. Okay, so it has put it into Roblox Studio, and honestly, this doesn't look too bad besides the water that is kind of like somehow spilling up here. And there's not really any water in there or in there, but it doesn't actually look that bad. I mean, I would use this in a Roblox game. It doesn't look too bad, right? Out of 10, I would give this a 6 out of 10. Good. But let's move on to the most complex model, which is the airplane. So I don't know how it would do on this airplane, but hopefully it does like okay. But yeah, so let's texture it. Okay, so let's just do something simple. Airplane. I think that would be good. Okay, now let's preview. Okay, it loaded a texture into this, and this looks insane. Like, there's not even that much windows on the plane, but I mean, I guess so. And this plane just looks kind of weird. This one, it looks okay. That one looks like a jet, and I think we should use this one. Let's see what it looks like in Roblox Studio. Okay, got loaded up into Roblox Studio, and this just does not look as good as inside the preview. Has a little logo up here. Doesn't look the best. It's kind of like just all messy and stuff. Like there's a lot of random scuffs. Out of 10, I'll give this a 1 out of 10. I mean, I know this is a more complex model, but like, I mean, I think it could have done a little bit better, right? But yeah, as you guys saw, some of the textures were honestly pretty good, while some of the other ones weren't as good, like they were pretty bad. But yeah, if you guys want to enable this feature, just go in Roblox Studio settings in the beta features, and then you might just find it there.